Have you ever wondered how a digital clock works? Or perhaps you've pondered how you might create one yourself using code. Today we're going to explore just that, how to build a digital clock using C programming language. To start, ensure you're familiar with the basics of C, such as data types and looping statements. Output. The digital clock we're going to build will start at 0 hours, 0 minutes and 0 seconds, and will display the time in hours, minutes and seconds. Here are the steps we need to follow. First, import the necessary header files. Next, initialize the variables hour, minute and second to 0. Then, run an infinite while loop. Within this loop, increment the second and check if it equals 60. If it does, increase the minute and reset the second to 0. Next, increase the minute and check if it equals 60. If it does, increase the hour and reset the minute to 0. Finally, increase the hour and check if it equals 24. If it does, reset the hour to 0. Following these steps, we can create a functional digital clock using C output. Now, you might be wondering how to draw a digital clock with the current time. We can achieve this by using the C library function local time, which uses the time pointed by the timer to fill a structure with the values that represent the corresponding local time. You might also be curious about the use of the sleep function. This function allows us to wait for a current thread for a set amount of time. And what about the time h header file? This header file contains definitions of functions to get and manipulate date and time information. Lastly, to clear the console in C while displaying the time in the digital clock, we can use /rcr, which is included in the conio date header file, or use system clear. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to building a digital clock using C. It's a fascinating process that combines the precision of coding with the steady march of time. Happy coding!